Good morning, students. Today let us start our class with the lesson compound personal pronouns. Okay, compound personal pronouns are formed by adding self to my, your, him, her, etc. Okay, these all are singular, so we use self. Okay, and we use selves with our, your, them. Okay, by using these self and selves we can form compound personal pronouns. Okay, my, myself, your, yourself, it, itself. Okay, him, himself, her, herself, because these all are singular. Okay, so we use self, and we use selves with our, your, them, because these are plural. Okay, then ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Okay, and there are mainly two kinds of compound pronouns. Okay, first one is reflexive pronouns and second one is emphatic pronouns. Okay, compound personal pronouns are called reflexive pronouns when the action done by the subject turns back or reflect upon the subject. Okay, like I found myself unable to move. Okay, okay, here myself is reflexive pronoun. Another way we can say that these all are means myself, ourselves, yourself, himself. These all are acting as the objects to the verbs. Okay, and refer to the same person or thing as that indicated by the subject of the verb. Okay, so here I found myself unable to move. Here I is coming, so the reflexive pronoun of I is myself. Okay, we, it is plural, so ourselves, you, here it is mentioned as singular, so yourself. Okay, if it is coming as plural, then we have to use yourself. Okay, he has landed himself in difficulty. Okay, and she hurt herself while playing. Here she is the subject and reflexive pronoun of she is coming as herself. Okay, and it is acting as the object to the verb. Okay, so to the same person or thing as that indicated by the subject of the verb, then also we can say it is reflexive pronoun. Okay, the cat seated itself. Okay, the cat is the subject here and the pronoun of the cat is it, so it is coming itself. They hurt themselves. Okay, and they is the subject here and themselves is acting as the object. Okay, next one is emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are also the same, and we use these emphatic pronouns to give more emphasis or more importance to the subject. Here I myself saw her do it. Here I is the subject. For giving more emphasis or more importance to the subject I, we use myself. Okay, we will verify the facts ourselves. Here we is used, and for giving more importance to we use ourselves as emphatic pronoun. Okay, you yourself can solve this difficult problem. Here also yourself, it is emphatic pronoun. We use this pronoun here to give more importance to the subject you. Okay, always it comes after the subject. Okay, but it does not act as the object to the verb. Here some questions are given. Let's go through these questions. Then you will understand it very easily. Okay. Here in help box, some reflexive pronouns and some emphatic pronouns, both are same, are given. Okay. But we have to write it in this lines. Okay. Here first one, the horse heart dash. Okay. Horse is the noun. Okay. It is an animal. We use the pronoun it. So here what will come? Itself. Okay. Itself will come. Next, Don and Julie paid for it. Okay. Here Don and Julie, two are here. So it is plural. So we can write here themselves. Okay. If two are there, we use they. So the compound pronoun of they is themselves. Okay. Next, Monica dash was at the meeting. Monica is a girl and we use she for Monica, the noun. Okay. Then the compound personal pronoun of Monica will be herself. Okay. Next, the doctor said so. Okay. Here we can use the doctor is a common noun. Okay, this is also a noun and we can use here himself. We use himself. Okay, doctor may be he or she. Okay, but in this option only himself is given. So we can write himself. Okay, I cut dash on a knife. Here I is coming. So we can use myself. Next one, do it dash. I do not have time. Okay, it is imperative sentence. So we know that in imperative sentence you will be the subject. You may be singular or you may be plural. Okay, here we can use it as singular. Then do it yourself. Okay, I do not have time. Next one, let's just relax and enjoy. Let us. Okay, then here we is used. Okay, and here we can use ourselves. Okay, if we is coming, we have to use ourselves. Reflexive pronoun or emphatic pronoun of we is ourselves. Okay. Have you heard dash? You is coming, then yourself. Okay. The company has got dash into difficulties. Company is given here. The pronoun of this one will be it. Then itself. Okay. Next one. You have a right to be proud of. You may be singular or plural. Here we have to consider this one is plural. Then we can use yourselves. Okay. Yourselves. Clear? Next example, fill in the blanks with emphatic pronouns. Okay, emphatic pronouns. She told me the news. She is used here, so here will be herself. Okay. Next one, they dash had a similar experience. They, then themselves. Okay. Here the manager dash gave her the medal. Here manager may be he or she. Then we can write here himself or herself. Okay. Next one. I dash would not recommend that restaurant. Here I is coming. Then emphatic pronoun of I is myself. Okay. Next one. We started this business. We is coming. Then ourselves. Okay. These are the examples. Dear students, hope you have understood compound personal pronouns. Okay. Let's end this section here. Thank you.